again to our channel. Hello, it's afternoon of Saturday today, and we are here in front of this table full of ANTH-FOL or Anthurium foliage. Anthurium foliage has a lot of varieties, guys. And this I have here in front are some are variegated and some are, this one is the black pearl. I think this is not variegated, or no, this is variegated too, but this one is the black pearl. Here it is, elongated leaves. And we have here also this one. Ito yun guys, yung light ang kanyang color ng variegation. We have pinkish and white, multicolor. We have mint, pinkish, and white. So it is multicolor. And here is another kind of variegation. And here is also another kind of variegation. They are all beautiful. And here it is. Wow. The new leaf is very big. Look. It is beautiful. And this one is different from all the rest because this is dark. You see this? This is dark with dark color. And it's beautiful. With dark pink, red, mint, and white, and green, of course, multicolor. So, now we are here because we want to repot this because as you notice guys, they have small pots, but now we have this pot I bought bigger than those so that it will be, it grows more comfortable, more healthy, and much more bigger. It has the tendency that these ANTH-FOL plants will become bigger and more beautiful if we transfer them to these bigger pots. But transferring of this kind of plants, it must be gradually. Don't transfer it with a big, how do you call this? For example, this size of plant, it's not good to transfer in a pot like this, very big. No. So, okay. Now, we start our work. Before starting, I will transfer this here, so that we can work well. Okay? Now, okay, I will transfer this first. Anyway, guys, I have here this pot, newly bought. That's why the holes are not yet done. So, we must place holes, make holes at the bottom of this pot. Be sure to make holes, guys, before transferring those plants, because you know Anthurium is a very delicate plant, especially those variegated like this I have. We must have to very be careful in transferring plants like this because they want the pots to be with holes, a lot of holes, because when you water the plants like this, it must be the water must go through and through, okay? Because they don't want to be soaked in water. So now I am making holes, a lot of holes like that, so that we won't create any problem with their pot, because the pot is the house of this plant, and also the sides, maybe, for the oxygen to go through and through. Okay? Like that. My God. Wow. I'm already wet. Wow, what a perspiration. But I love this because instead of going to the gym, I'm here working out and perspiration is, is falling. Oh my God, look at that. So, just holds for the oxygen to go through the potting mix or the media. Okay? Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Wow. It's done. So now, I will get the cocoa cubes first. Okay. Now we have here two kinds of media. I have here the cocoa cubes and the rice hull. Okay? This is the rice hull, carbonized rice hull with the dried or the sterilized house manure as fertilizer. So now, what will I do is that I will put a little of this cocoa cubes at the bottom, and then put the rice hull. Oh my God. And then what will I do is I will have to scoop out the contents of this, all the contents of this pot. Okay? When transferring plants, if you buy new plants, don't transfer immediately. This one, all of this ANTH-FOL I bought, it is already bought maybe 1 month ago. That's why it is right time now to transfer to this bigger pot or to the pot. Okay? Okay? Wow! Look at the roots. Very nice roots we have here. So, like that. We will transfer here. Wow! So nice. Okay. Very, very beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. And the potting mix we use always, I say that repeatedly, I say that it must be chunky, that the water can pass through this rice hull and cocoa cubes so that it will not rotten. Okay? It prevents them to rot. It prevents them to have root rot. Because, you know, root rot is what we prevent because that is the cause of anthurium to die. Okay? So, it's now good. Nice. Wow. See? Very nice. The small pot went to the plant went to the bigger pot now. It's more comfortable. Di ba bagay? It's okay now. It's better. Better to see this ANTH-FOL in a bigger pot. But you must have to transfer or repot your plants gradually, not immediately to a big pot. Okay? Just gradually. Okay? And then when it will become bigger again, I will transfer to a bigger pot, maybe 2-inch circumference bigger. Okay? So, here it is. And this one, look at this very little pot. Very small pot they put. The seller used this pot because when I bought this, it was still very small, 3 inches. But I let this unfold. I am so successful making this plant bigger and a lot bigger. Okay. Look at this. We'll remove and look at the roots. Look at the roots, guys. Oh my God, look at the roots. Wow. Buhay na buhay. Healthy, healthy. They're all healthy. Yes, because I take care well of my plants. I love them, that's why. Understand? Okay. So, transfer. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh. Look at the roots, mataba. So healthy. Very nice. I love it. Okay, let's boost everything. Okay, all. But now, I need some more. Some more. Wow. Oh, I love doing this. I love doing this, guys. Okay. Yeah. See? Okay. There it is. Let's konti para di mag swing like that. Okay. It's good. Wow. Wow. Nice and comfortable. Bigger part. Now, next. Next is this. Another small pot. Uy. Okay. So, again, look them. Look at them. I will show you outside. Okay. Sino? Ako? Gusto ko i-marites sila, guys. Anyway, wag na. Tayo na lang dito. Okay. Damihan natin ang butas. Kasi gusto natin mabuhay na maayos ang ating plants, kaya tagagtap ang pawis. But Because I want to perspire, I did this intentionally. Okay? Because today I didn't go to the gym. So this is my gym. This is a very good alternative for gym. Okay? Okay? Okay, look at this. Wow! Nice, huh? Okay. The cocoa cubes first. A little amount. Because the purpose of these cocoa cubes is to let the potting mix or the media to remain humid. When you water, it will go through and through, but some of the water will remain at the, how do you call this? Cocoa cubes, at the cocoa cubes, yes. Okay, so now, look at that. Wow. Okay. Oh, look at this. Yes. It's done. What I will put the old one. The old media. Okay. Para di siya mabigla. Okay. My perspiration. My perspiration. Oh my God. See? Oh, nice. Very, very nice. I love it. You see? I love it. Okay. Okay. Oh, very nice. The black pearl. Okay. This is the third. And then, wow. Here it is. Another one. Look at my perspiration. Yes. Pasensya kayo sa pawis ko, ha. I am not a robot. I am a human. That's why I perspire a lot. Okay. Tagatak ang pawis. How I like it. It's a beautiful feeling. Feeling my perspiration drop on my arm. Wow. Can you see that? Wow. Really. Then here. Wow! Ala, lumaki. Wow! Hey! Okay. Here it is. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Teka, magpunas muna ako ng pawis. Punas-punas. And then, one. And then, transfer na natin siya. You must see to it that only at the edge you put the knife because, you know, sometimes roots are everywhere. Okay? Wow. Nice. Very beautiful. Beautiful ANTH-FOL. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Look at the roots. Oh. Okay. Careful, careful, careful. Oh, nice. Beautiful sobra. Natin yung potting mix. Okay, it can be used. Okay. Wow, nakita. Wow. Sa kamay my hands ache already. Wow. Ooh, I don't use gloves. I like to work like this with dirty hands like that. But I love to feel the media, the potting mix, the soil. Galing puno. See? Wow. Alright. at the roots. Beautiful. Look at my face. Wet with perspiration. See that? Wow. Beautiful. 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 Okay. Then another one. Wow. Wow, nice feeling. What a feeling. Na, na, na. Basang-basa na ng pawis. I am wet. Already wet with perspiration, you know, guys. I love it. I am enjoying. Look at my face. I will show you. I come near. Look at me. Oh. Continue. Beautiful. Beautiful. My God. We want them to grow happily and healthy. That's why we are doing these sacrifices. Because we love them, no? So this is the last. Yeah. The last. But not the least. Because, but not the least, I said, because we are going to repot some other kinds of plants. Next time, I think. Next time, okay. Okay. Yes, very beautiful. Beautiful plants I have. They have grown after not 2 months. After a month, when I bought this, just 2 inches, you know. They're very small, cute. But now, look at them. They've grown. Wow! Oh, beautifully pulled from the pot. Pulled out from the pot, from its pot completely. Yan. I said, I love this plant. I love you, so you must grow beautifully and healthy, and you must be happy in your new pot. Okay, so I'll tell you the tips in taking care of anthurium. The things I know in taking care anthurium are just like that. It must be the pot must be how do you call it? I cannot get the term. Okay, so here they are, and they love light, guys. Number 1, light. You must put them in a place or in a location that has a bright light, because they love light really. They will grow fast and they will grow beautifully with their variegation. All variegation will come out when you put them in a lighted, well-lighted location or well-lighted place. Okay? Hindi pala ako nakikita. Okay. So, that's it. And we did very well. See guys? Wow. Oh, so nice guys. Beautiful. Really, I love them. But this one, oh, meron pang isa. But it's the same thing, no? No. Yes. Meron pa isa, wait. Meron pang isa eh. Okay? Not yet done. The other one. I forgot the other one because it has a big pot but not with the big mouth. It must be with big opening also. Paspasan natin. Very well. Okay. My hand is aching. My hand, the right one. This is the right. This one which I use in making hole. Oh my God, tulo-tulo tulo-tulo. Pawis. My perspiration are falling from my face. Look at me guys. Okay? So, good. Wow, we did it. We did it. We did it. Very nice. I love it. I love it. This is the repotting of plants with sweat. I sweat a lot. Oh my God. I sweat a lot today. But it's good. See? I told you. Wow. Ang ganda ng pagkabunot. Look at this. This is incredible. This is incredible. It is so beautiful. Look at this. Okay. My God, so silent. So silent. I cannot hear any noise. My God, I am alone here because this is underground. I'm in underground playing with my plants. See? Oh, my goodness, I love it. I love it. Seeing his beautiful plants in front of me doing well. Okay? Oh, so nice. Uniformly done. Uniformly done. Beautifully done. Oh, look at this. How beautiful. Now, they're all beautiful. Look at this. Okay, thumbnail. Charan, chan chan, charan chan 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 chan. Okay, this is good for now. I've shown you how to repot anthurium, but I have to show you also another thing, or next time. Maybe next time. Wala pala dito. Okay, maybe next time I will show you how to put the fertilizer, okay? So, thank you so much because maybe I put fertilizer last week and it's already done, so I think no need anymore. It's still wet. Okay, so bye-bye. See you on the next video. Please like and please comment and give me some suggestions what you want me to do as video for you to watch, and maybe suggestions or comments about these beautiful plants. And please don't forget to click the bell button, you know, the bell button, so that you will be notified every time I upload new videos. Okay, thank you so much, guys. And then these days I do the live videos in the morning, maybe 10 o'clock onward in the morning. Yes, I am trying hard to make live videos, but sometimes I'm busy, so maybe I will be absent anytime that I am busy. So here I am, and I am wet. Oh my God, pumunta na sa mata ko yung perspiration. Look at my sweat. Huh? Oh my God. Look at me. Oh my God. Okay. Repotting the plants, the ANTH-FOL, with a lot of sweat. My God. Grabe. Okay. Bye-bye. Applause, applause, applause for the beautiful flowers. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy watching you guys. Hope you are entertained. God bless and take care. I love you guys. Okay. Bye-bye. Babosh.